What's up? What's up? What's up? How is everybody doing today? Scott Jelinek here. I wanted to do an update for you on the video I did on how to make a bunch of money on YouTube. So it has been 28 days, which is their billing cycle. Well, actually, it's been 29 days, but they operate a day behind. So I waited till today so that I can go over with you exactly what the revenue was, some things I don't understand about it that maybe you can help me with, and so we can see what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong. So one of the things I thought I learned, but apparently I did it wrong, was I watch a lot of other videos where they're showing you how to monetize YouTube, how you can make money with it, and so I'm trying to figure it out as I go. So first off, I wanted to ask you guys a question. Is it annoying? Are you guys less likely to watch my other videos, my real estate investing videos, because there's a commercial in the front of it? I'm curious about that because I think I've gone numb to it because everybody's got commercials, and I think I just became numb to it, but I don't know if other people are thinking, I no longer want to watch that one because it's annoying. I got to sit for those 5 seconds first. Number two is I saw where it said, oh, if you do a 10-minute video, it generates more revenue because I guess they do mid-roll commercials or something along those lines. I tried that and it didn't seem to generate any more than the other ones. I'm trying to track each video. And then there's some things that I clearly do not even understand as to how it came about, why this one's producing more money than this one's producing. And so I'm going to switch screens and let you guys see exactly what is being produced and how and why, or ask you, actually, I don't even know. I have one video in particular that I don't get at all. It's my third top producing video, and it has very, very few views. So I'm not even sure on exactly how all that works. So I'm going to share the screen now so that you can see my stats for the last 28 days. Hang on one second. All right, so there we go. So if you look, this is, oh, I'm on the wrong page. Hang on one second. Boom. All right, so this is the last 28 days. My estimated revenue is $257.15. So I'm pretty pleased with that. My goal was to try and hit $300, and I didn't really base that on anything. It was just, let's give it a whirl. If I can hit 300, I'm like, well, that's 3,600 a year. It's something. This is not something I'm really doing for money. This is something I'm doing to learn. I'm curious, I'm curious. You see that there's a kid, the #1 producing YouTube person, generates millions of dollars, I think, a month, and he's like 8 years old. He opens up toys, and I don't really even understand how all that works, so I'm trying to understand it. And no better way to try and understand it than to document it, do videos, get feedback as we go. So the total revenue for the last 28 days was $257.15. But here's where it gets interesting. These are the top earning videos. And you'll see the very first one earned $48.46. But this one was actually the second video I ever did, and that was 8 years ago. So the second video I ever filmed in my living room is generating basically $600 a year, $48 a month from 8 years ago, which I thought was kind of crazy. But that's not where it gets really interesting. So the second top producing is 3109. And this, again, was probably 7 or 8 years ago. This is a long time ago I filmed this video. The interesting one is this next one, 6 ways to build a massive cash buyers list in today's market. Now, this video I just filmed, and so I'm going to click on it, actually, see if I can show you what it says. All right, so this video only has 252 views, which is not a lot of views at all, but it generated $25.96. So I'm not 100% really understanding how that works, because from everything I was told, again, I don't know, I'm watching other videos, you get like $1 or 10 cents for every 1,000 views, something ridiculous like that. And here's only 252 views and generated $25.96. So I don't understand exactly how or why. And if you guys have an answer to that, I would love for you to put a comment down below and let me know, because I really don't understand. I have views that generated 600 views right away, and they did $5. So I'm not really 100% on how those numbers come to be. So I'm going to click on this so you can see, yeah, there we go, all of them. And you'll see this one, my #1 top producing video, how to get free real estate MLS access. That's from 2000, that's from 7-8 years ago. So this is the third one. And now make today count. That one's $19. That one's a short video I just did. It only has 325 views. So these are some new ones, have very low views, but they generated $13, $8, $7. So I'm not 100% sure. This one has 333 views and generated 379. And then a lot of these have very, very few views, and they go all the way down to, I guess, 40 cents for the 28-day period. So this is all brand new to me. I'm just sharing the journey with you guys as I try and figure out exactly how to monetize YouTube, how to make all this happen. And so if you know, if you've been through this before, if you monetize your own channel, if you have insight on this, please comment below, because I would love to figure it all out. I'm going to try and do one video on this topic once a month, basically every 28 days, so that I can see if my numbers are increasing or declining, see what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, and take you along for the journey, as well as if you have insight, if you know what it is I'm doing right or wrong, or if you have insight as to how to change it. My goal is to get this up to $1,000 a month. So that's where I want to take this journey. I'm at $250 now, and I want to get it to $1,000 a month. Not sure exactly what I need to do that. That's all I have for you guys. Subscribe to this channel, click the like button, and make sure that you give me any input that you have. If you know anything about it, if you like or dislike seeing these commercials, if you know what I'm doing right or wrong to help monetize it and take it to the next level, make sure you go ahead and comment down below. I will respond to you personally. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye-bye.